So hey guys, I have already created my boilerplate for this application which we are building in this video, okay, which is ToDo's app. So as if you haven't watched the previous video, you can just jump to this channel Geon tutorial and you can just put on like go to the videos part, and I have created a part one for this video, okay, so that you can get the idea what we are building to the whole series, okay. So if you are getting any problem, if you are facing any problem during if you are building your application and if you are getting any error, so you can compare your code with the source code. So I have also mentioned the source code in the description box so that you can compare your code. So everything is available here. You can the main focus area for this application, we have React part. We are not focusing on the CSS part. So like you can start with the comparing your code from starting and just compare your code and solve your error. So let's jump into the folder parts. What I have basically mentioned here, I have like app.css file, app.js file, index.css file, and index.js file. So these four files I have. And if you want to change, like I have delete each and everything which is present in the app.css. And if you go to the app.css app.js part, so here I have just mentioned h1 tag for the to-dos app, okay. So let's jump into the browser and let's see. Okay, so this kind of output is coming. So what you can do, let's change our css part for the index.js. So what you can do, just go to this website, okay, which is already I have mentioned in the description box, okay. So just copy the index.css code and paste it in index.css file, okay. So what you can do is basically just go to the index.css file and just remove each and everything from here and paste it over here, okay. Now what you can do, as you can you observe that our main to-dos application, it is present in the center and our background color is also changed. So now the next step is basically we have to make two files, okay, which is to-dos list.js, to-dos list.css. So let's make these two files in our boilerplate. So basically what you can do, just click on src, just name these two files. First, I'm creating to-do list.js file, and second one is to-do list.css file, okay. So these two files are present here. So what we can do, just I'm creating like react arrow function component export, okay. Just press tab and here to-do list is coming, okay. Now what we can do here, we have to import the css part also so that we can't forget the css part. So let's see, we are adding to-do list,